Hey everybody, Technically Jeff here, and today we're going to talk about the Kia EV6's Mini Frunk and what I find it actually very useful for. So one of the comments that I hear very often is that the frunk of the Kia EV6, the front trunk, is very tiny, can't really hold anything, and it's not useful. Well, I'm here to tell you that that's not actually the case. So I'm going to open it up and show you what I keep inside. Now, while it is definitely small, it can be quite useful. So in this front trunk, the frunk, it's about 3 inches tall in the back. In the front it gets to be about 5 to 6 inches, but it's fairly wide, and it's the perfect size to keep something like a portable charger. I also have a portable jump starter, being that it is an EV, and a lot of EVs out there have had issues with their 12-volt batteries going dead. And then I also have a Tesla Tap Mini 60. So this allows me to plug in at Tesla destination chargers. But yeah, all of this fits in here perfect. And I actually have space for other things too if I want to put other things in here. But this allows me to not clutter up the trunk or have issues back there with space or things rolling around. And it works out great. And I can just go ahead and close it up, and I'm good to go. Don't really ever have to think about those things, but if I need them while I am on the road or doing a road trip, it's definitely going to come in handy. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys, while it is definitely tiny, it can come in handy with items such as those.
Hey, if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps me out. And follow me on all social media so you can stay up to date with the latest content. Thanks for watching.